Hello guys, in this session we shall start a new series on organic chemistry. We'll look at some common organic compounds, take a brief history of organic chemistry. We shall go that way until we finish or we touch on each of the homologous series that there is. Organic chemistry started with the discovery of organic compounds, wherein scientists from all walks of life came across some compounds from living organisms. As a result, they called it chemistry of living organisms or compounds of living organisms. So they called the compounds of living organisms and the reactions these compounds undergo as chemistry of living organisms. Friedrich Wöhler was able to accidentally synthesize urea, which is a compound extracted from living organisms from inorganic sources. And then he created a strong argument at the time, and that chemical reaction served as the revolution point for organic chemistry. Today, organic compounds are used in the production of numerous domestic industrial products and even agricultural products like fertilizers, like plastics, like petroleum products, like leather, like textile materials. Now, in the next video, guys, we want to see what is unique to organic compounds. Okay, there is a simple reason, and we shall discuss that in the next video. So join us in the next lecture, guys. Let's discuss why organic chemistry is a whole branch different from all other branches of chemistry. Thank you for sticking with us, and as always, we shall see you in our next lecture.